How to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, open the option screen time. Now head towards the option of content and privacy restrictions. Now open the option allowed apps. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of camera. After you check that, head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option privacy and security. Now head towards the option of camera. Once you find it, open it. From this page, you can give access to all these apps. Make sure you have toggle on for all these apps. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option general, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your app. Now head towards the app in which you are having this issue, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Once you upload the app, reinstall the app and check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go back. Once you land to this page, scroll down. Click on the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here to continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.